Hello! Now in the video today I'm going to be harvesting lots of my tomatoes that I've grown here in the greenhouse, and I'm also going to be showing you how I manage to keep them fresh, not only for days but for months. I'm Gang Gang, welcome to the channel. Gang Gang and Peanut, two peas in a pod. Now if you're a gardener you'll know how quickly tomatoes can take over. One moment you don't have any and the next you're drowning in a sea of red, and that's a pretty delicious problem to have. Now, tomatoes are one of those fruits, and yes, they are a fruit, that if you leave them on the plant or in your kitchen for too long, they will start to go bad. And if you're growing your own, there's nothing worse than wasting those hard-earned tomatoes. Now, if you've grown these tomatoes yourself, you're going to want to use them up, and you will use them maybe in a cheese sandwich, maybe in a salad, maybe when you pop out into the greenhouse or the garden, you'll eat some every time you go in. But you're soon going to get bored doing the same old things, and preserving the freshness so you can enjoy these tomatoes for weeks and months to come is quite a challenge. So now you've got all these tomatoes and you have a glut. What can you do with them? Well, you could make a sauce, you could make a dip, you could try canning them or drying them. You could even give some away to friends and neighbours. What you don't want to be doing is wasting any of them. And with that in mind, I'm going to show you what I usually do to preserve these tomatoes in a condition that's as fresh as the moment I picked them. And that is freezing. Let me show you. Now, freezing tomatoes is something that I've been doing for many years because freezing does an amazing job of capturing that fresh summer taste. And when a tomato ripens on the vine, it's packed with sugars and acids and a whole lot of water, and freezing locks all that goodness right in place. And whilst that means it's not destined for a fresh salad, it's a huge advantage for cooking. Preparing your tomatoes for freezing is incredibly simple. You just wash your tomatoes thoroughly to get any garden dirt off, give them a good rinse, and then pat them dry using a kitchen towel, because a dry tomato freezes much better. The next step is to take a small knife and pop out the core, that little tough bit where the stem was, and a quick cut is all it takes, and that's it. You just wash, dry and core. And if you're really pressed for time, you can even leave the core in. Now the next step is the most critical step in the whole process, and that is the flash freeze. And that's the key to avoiding a giant frozen tomato berg, by freezing each tomato individually first. And to do that, you take a baking sheet, line it with a parchment paper to make sure nothing sticks. Arrange your tomatoes on the sheet in a single layer and make sure they aren't touching. This is what ensures they freeze as individual tomatoes. You then pop the baking sheet with the tomatoes into the freezer and let them freeze until they're solid. Now once your tomatoes are frozen solid, transfer the tomatoes into a freezer bag or a heavy duty zip top bag. They are perfect for the job. Now a top tip is to make sure that you remove as much air as possible, because air is the enemy of frozen foods, and that's where a vacuum sealer is fantastic for doing the job. Once your tomatoes are bagged up or vacuum sealed, you simply pop them back into the freezer and you're done. And you get to reap the rewards of all your efforts growing your homegrown tomatoes throughout the winter. And you can now look forward to homemade pasta sauces and warming tomato soups throughout the coming months. Freezing tomatoes, very easy, very effective, and it's my favourite way of preserving the harvest of my homegrown tomatoes. If you have a favourite way of preserving your homegrown tomatoes, let me know in the comments below. Or if you have a favourite recipe, again, let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button, give us a big thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Or maybe even consider clicking on the subscribe button and come along and join us, see what we get up to. Anyway, I'm Gang Gang, this is Gang Gang and Peanuts, 2 peas in a pod, and as ever, until next time, take care, bye.